Hi, I'm Azimuth with Hind's Feet on High Places. I'm here at CampShiloh, which is up in Jefferson, New Hampshire, with my church for a men's retreat. It's really been an awesome day so far, but I haven't gotten a chance to get out very much. And while I'm up here in the North Country, I certainly want to get an opportunity to do a little bit of light hiking. I won't be doing any mountains today. I'm just going to be exploring the property a little bit. It is a definite winter wonderland. We got about 9 inches last night. I think we're supposed to get about 6 more before the day is up. But it's an absolutely gorgeous place. I mean, check this out. And it is so quiet and so peaceful. I need a little bit of time with just me in the woods. So you get to come along. So let's go check it out. So I am definitely breaking trail today. And even with my snowshoes on, you can see I'm still sinking in to mid-calf. Supposedly, there is a primitive shelter in this copse of trees over here, but there is no clear path. So I'm trying to navigate old school. Oh, that's not a bad shelter at all. I assumed it was a primitive shelter, but this is as good as anything you'll see on the AT. Got a couple of hooks over there to hang a hammock, but none over here. Of course, I could hang my hammock from this cross beam here if I really wanted to. And I see a couple more hooks. I suppose I could just screw them in and hang off of that. It's got little pegs to hang your backpacks on. I think those pegs actually hold it together. But this is a nice little shelter. I like it. Alright, well, this has been interesting, but I'm going to do a little more exploring. I'm limited to what I can do since I'm by myself and I don't want to get too far, but it should be pretty easy to follow my tracks back the way I came. So getting lost is kind of hard to do, but the snow is still coming down fairly good, probably half an inch an hour or so. So we've still got more snow coming. As a matter of fact, it seems to be increasing. All right. Well, had a good weekend here at Camp Shiloh. It's really been a fun time. Did a little bit of hiking yesterday, not a whole lot, but it's just been a great time with the guys from my church. So much fun. But all good things must come to an end. I gotta go get my car out of the snowbank where I had to leave it down at the bottom of the hill because it wouldn't make it up this hill. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed this little bit of scenery from the White Mountains of New Hampshire. Hope you have a blessed day. Azimuth out.